Good afternoon. My name is Mayra Alejandra Sierra. This is the development of Guide 4, Activity 2, Evidence 1. The topic to be developed will be systems. First, what is a system? A system is a set of elements that are related to each other and act in a specific and coordinated manner. Any segment of reality, therefore, can be considered a system as long as its interrelated components can be distinct from the outside. The term system is used in countless disciplines, for physics and biology to mechanics and computer science, to refer to an order and interrelated sets of elements endowed with a particular structure, dynamics, and environment. Seen in this way, all objects on the world are part in the one way or another of some systems. Eh, Characteristics of systems. According to general system theory, all systems are characterized by the following. First, they are composed of internal elements. The elements that comprise them are mutually dependent, so that modify one of them also modifies the rest. The internal elements can inter from other systems known as subsystems. Two, they operate in an organized manner. Their components act in an organized way to allow them to accomplish some kind of purpose. When this functioning becomes disorganized, the system entropy increases and it risks breaking down. Three, they have a definite boundary. It is possible to distinguish between the inside and outside of system, that is between their components and the elements that are part of the external context. 4. They exchange information with the outside world. Since no system exists that are completely isolated from their environment, all systems exchange energy or matter with their external environment to some extent. And 5, they exist at a given time. All systems exist within a specific time frame, as they sooner or later tend toward entropy over time. Uh, Types of systems. Systems can be classified based of two different criteria: the nature of their components or their relationship to the environment. Depending on the nature of their component, system can be classified into three broad categories: conceptual, material, or hybrid. Conceptual systems, there are ordinate and interrelated sets of abstract and intangible elements, such as concept or ideas. These can be of four different types: subjects, predicates, sets, or operators. For example, the International System of Units, material systems, there are tangible and concrete sets of elements endowed with a specific properties, such as weight, energy, position, among others. For example, as city sewage systems, hybrid systems, there are sets that combine tangible and intangible elements, that is, conceptual and material, thus constituting a mixture of the two previous types. For example, a computer system which combines hardware and software. Depending on the relationship with their environment, system can be divided into three types: open, closed, or isolated. Open systems, there are those that freely exchange information with their environment, meaning they have unrestricted entry and exit from the systems. For example, a cup of hot coffee that emits a heat into the environment until it cools. Closed systems, these are those that exchange little information with their environment, as they have barriers that prevent or restrict entry and exit from the system. For example, a cell that only takes for food from its environment and discard only what it doesn't need. Uh, Finally, isolate systems. Uh, these are those that do not change information with their environment. In principle, these types of systems do not exist in the universe, but in some case, the amount in information they exchange with the outside world is so small that they can be considered practically isolate. And finally, for example, a closed insulated thermos that keeps coffee hot for hours. Some examples of systems are circulatory systems, ecosystems, solar systems, computer operator systems, and organization systems, among others. That is all, teacher. Thank you.